Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MEIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's very nice movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this line here and that one. Sure, these lines still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place, which causes confusion. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 425 as that level of resistance, but now that that's been broken, that would be considered an area of support. The ideal level of support, when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be 465. Don't get me wrong, though, if the price does fall below 465, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay above 465, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back, and as I talked about in yesterday's video, and we'll continue to talk about from a big picture point of view, it's all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time unfolds. So as long as the price stays above that purple line, though, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are 100% in control of the overall chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Seems to be two ones that have caught my eye. The first one being the very short-term one. For whatever reason, this afternoon, you can see the price tried several times to get up through 495 and just could not do it anymore. So a little miniature and short-term level of resistance there at 495. After 495, it's simply just where the seller stepped in, and that's right up there at about $5.10. So the two near-term hurdles, again, from a resistance standpoint, 495 and 510. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases like it's been doing the past several days, the chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.